Hello everyone, this is me Varsha and you're watching Stuck and Solve. So in this video we'll see that how we can draw a flower with C++ graphics. So the first thing which we need to do is to convert bin into BGI and include all the header files needed, that is conio.h and graphics.h, and in main function we will write the basic template of our graphic program. So let's start. So we will store the center of the screen in X and Y. So here is a flower written. Now let's write the code for the center of the flower. And it is here. Now let's write the code for the petals. We will use ellipse function for it. So let's now color our petals. And it is here. So let's draw background also. So we are done with the code. Let's run it. And here is our output which we have expected. So like this video, do consider subscribing for more such videos, and if you have any doubt you can ask in the comment box.